At the same time, we're hearing that KwaZulu-Natal is at risk of being the new epicenter of COVID-19. The province has recorded over 2,000 cases in the past 24 hours, the second highest number after the Western Cape. Premier Sihle Zikalala says the increases in infections are due to large gatherings of those involved in last month's looting and unrest. But is there enough adherence to COVID-19 protocols now? Let's go live now to eNCA's Lethiwe Mdluli, who joins us now from Durban for an update. So I can only imagine the degree of concern, Lethiwe, because the government and healthcare professionals want a situation where there's low spread of the virus in communities and high preparedness situation in as far as the healthcare infrastructure is concerned. I wonder what the picture is looking like at the moment as these numbers keep coming in.
Well, Tudasiza, what I can tell you is that the numbers here in KZN are very worrying as we are recording close to 2,000 cases a day. I was visiting a vaccination site earlier on today, the King Dinizulu vaccination site, and it's one of the biggest that we have in the eThekwini region. And I was speaking to the HOD for health in the province, and he did say that they are seeing an increase in the numbers, and they are also seeing a decrease in the number of people coming to vaccinate. The vaccination sites that I've been visiting today, with the one in King Dinizulu, I did see that there was less people coming to get vaccinated. They are also saying that they are seeing a decrease in people registering to get vaccinated, but they are hoping that by the 1st of September, when the 18-year-olds and over are eligible to get vaccinated or are eligible to get registered, they will see a peak in numbers there. But at the moment, I'm at the Discovery vaccination sites in Umhlanga, and what I'm seeing is that there are a few people who have come here today to get vaccinated. As you can see, everything is running smoothly, and there's a lot of people who have come here to get vaccinated. I got a chance to speak to a few people earlier at the King Dinizulu vaccination sites who did share that they were hesitant at first to come vaccinate, but they have decided that they will get vaccinated because we are currently in the third wave as a province. But at the moment, I'm joined by Sandile Dlamini, who is the regional site manager for Discovery here in KZN. Good morning, Mr. Dlamini. Firstly, I just want to ask you about the numbers that you're seeing of people coming in, getting vaccinated. Are you seeing an increase or a decrease?
Well, we have been seeing, thank you for the opportunity, we have been seeing a steady progression of the number of people that are coming in. Since we started, we've vaccinated over 5,000 since we launched on the 23rd of July. And in August to date, we've vaccinated over 12,800. So there is a steady consistency of number of people, but we haven't seen a huge surge of people coming in. Concerning is the number of positive cases that we've seen in KZN, and we need to put a consideration that after a person has tested positive, they need to wait for plus minus 30 days before they can come and get their jab. So maybe that could be also another consideration of these people, that of the high number that we are seeing, and those people now having to wait for at least a month to come and get their jab.
In terms of people being hesitant to get vaccinated, have you seen or dealt with cases like that?
Yes, we have. We have tried to manage quite a few of our patrons that are not 100% convinced of taking the jab, but we've managed to try and explain to everyone that we've had an opportunity to talk to put to them the need and the importance of them going out there, register, and eventually getting their jab, how it is important for the rest of the country to be in a position to even get to the herd immunity. So we are trying our level best to play that part, to engage with our patrons that come with that narrative, and hopefully we do reach to convince them otherwise.
And in terms of your clients coming in, can people just walk in and get vaccinated same day?
Yes, for the month of August, as Discovery vaccination site, we have opened up the 35 plus as walk-ins. They need to have registered on EVDS and having gotten the confirmation of that registration, and we are happy to vaccinate those patrons that are coming in. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, Lethiwe, that's the regional site manager, Dlamini, who's just sharing that they are seeing a surge of people coming to get vaccinated, and the registration for the 35 and older generation, they can come and get vaccinated. They do accept walk-ins. As I said before, KZN is currently struggling with people not going to get vaccinated, and for those also not getting registered. Hopefully we will see an increase in numbers soon, and I'm hoping that the 18-year-olds and the other generation will go and get vaccinated, or they will go get registered from the 1st of September.
Great interview there, Lethiwe. Nothing beats hearing it from the people at the coalface, giving you the evidence of what they are seeing on a day-to-day basis. Thank you for that. That's eNCA's Lethiwe Mdluli out at a vaccination site there. You heard the man. You heard it from people who are at the coalface as healthcare providers and those at the forefront of the vaccination program, sharing their own day-to-day experiences.